think that they would be any different than any other families. And I think, you know, it's the commitment of the couple that really makes the wedding.
身邊好多人其實可以結婚，但係選擇唔結婚。如果你就用好大嘅努力，或者用好大勇氣，即係好似重新見到結婚嗰個意義喺邊度咯。
聖經冇 deal with 過呢個問題。聖經唔係一本天書嚟嘅，唔係天文地理，所有嘢都要講晒嘅，唔可能。
異性戀如果兩廂情願兩情相悅，基本上呢不只是兩個人的事情，其實是兩個家族的事情。
少數團體、少數群眾嘅一啲嘅尊重、一啲嘅訴求嚟講，你一個城市、一個國家係要有相當程度嘅文化度咧，先至係真正去擁抱呢啲咁嘅價值觀，而唔係得把口去講。
So if you register for these limited domestic partnerships, then you take on the responsibility of caring for your partner, and there may be some liability involved there. I think that the ultimate goal certainly should be marriage equality.
咁我話喂，你結咗婚，睇你個樣都有啲嘢㗎啦。咁咧好，你可以受4屆，我就唔會同你哋受嗰個不邪淫戒，咁就 OK 嘅。
同志婚姻唔好諗住啦，係嘛？唔係唔可以諗，都要去爭取嘅。